Spokane Mayor Lisa Brown and local union workers are criticizing Eastern Washington Representative Michael Baumgartner for supporting President Trump's spending bill. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy has more on the press conference.
It's been nearly a month since President Trump signed his tax and spending cut bill into law. Spokane Mayor Lisa Brown and local union members held a press conference to voice their opposition to the legislation and to Eastern Washington Congressman Michael Baumgartner's support of it.
We love working for the residents of Spokane. I care about the neighborhoods and the people. I am here to serve.
Jim Teakin's a member of the American Federation of State and County Municipal Employees Union, or AFSCME. It's a nationwide labor union representing public service workers, a group he says will suffer under the new legislation.
It's going to impact the services that we are able to provide as public employees.
The bill passed along party lines, with Congressman Baumgartner voting in favor of it. Critics of the legislation point to analysis from the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office, which projects legislation will add trillions to the deficit and result in millions losing their Medicaid coverage. On the other hand, supporters argue the bill will save nearly $2 trillion in government spending over the next several years.
If it were actually balancing the budget, I think most of us would say we're willing to take some sacrifice, but the sacrifices here are on people like veterans. They've already sacrificed. Let's be clear about that.
Spokane Mayor Lisa Brown and others at today's press conference worry that rural areas like Odessa and Colville will be hit especially hard when it comes to funding for health care facilities.
If those hospitals shut down due to this lack of funding, we are just going to see an overload of folks into our health care system right here in Spokane, Washington.
While the bill is now law, Teakin and Mayor Brown say they're speaking out so people in Eastern Washington understand what's in store. For his part, Baumgartner argues the bill includes billions for rural health care and reins in what he calls wasteful spending. He responded to Mayor Brown, writing in part, quote, "I'm not surprised that Mayor Lisa Brown criticized it. She has always been in favor of higher taxes. It is two very different philosophies of what government should be." Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.